Hello guys, welcome to next video of this playlist Python for beginners. Currently in this playlist we are exploring bootstrapping using Python. And up till now we have successfully explored two important libraries which are request and BeautifulSoup. Now it's time to make a small project. So to make a small project, let's move to our destination folder. This is our destination folder as you can see. Now I will open this folder in Jupyter Notebook. As you can see, I have simply opened this Jupyter Notebook in that folder. Now let's talk about the project. In coming few videos, we will be creating a project using web scraping of Python that we have learned. We will be exploring a website or scraping the entire data of this website. So this is a website of Ambition Box as you can see, and it has a list of companies and their information as you can see. From this web page, we will be extracting the name, the reviews, and some other basic information using request and BeautifulSoup libraries. So without wasting any time, let's start. So let's import these two libraries first. As you can see, I have successfully imported these two libraries. Now let's take the URL. So I will simply copy paste the URL, which is this URL that we normally have did in last few videos. Now let's use this request package to fetch the URL. So as you can see, the cell has run successfully. Now let's check the status code of this response. As you can see, the response code is 403, which means our request has successfully reached this server, but the server has denied it. To surpass this error, we have to import a concept called as headers. So what are these headers? So a header mostly requires a one format, which is user agent. So the command to write header is that this header takes multiple parameters, but the main parameter that we will be using in this video is user agent. So I will simply type the user agent. And what is your user agent? This user agent is different from each system. So how to find your user agent? So for that you have to simply go to Google and search what is my browser user agent. Remember, there should be no space here. And you will navigate to this search results and just click on this first URL, which is what is my user agent. And the output will be in front of you, and the answer is this. Just click on this box and this will be your user agent. So simply copy it and simply paste it here. Now while making a request, just pass here header as this. So I will pass here header as like this. Headers equal to the above header, which is this. So this is a parameter and this is the argument that we are passing from here. Now let's run the code and also check the status code. So as you can see, we have successfully called status code as 200, which means everything is fine. Now let's move ahead, which is extracting textual data. So to do that, I will simply use another method, which is to do this, I will use a BeautifulSoup method, which is soup equal to base dot just passed here response dot content, and I will pass here parcel as LXML. Remember, you might have to install this LXML package, which is Python package, by typing the command as pip install package name, which is this. So let's run this cell, and we are getting invalid syntax error. So let's remove this and let's run. The cell has run successfully. Now let's print it. So I will simply type print soup.pretty which is this. I hope we will get entire output. So this is the HTML data of that page that we are successfully extracted, as you can see. Now let's move to that web page and find interesting data. So this is our web page and let's try to extract this title. So to extract this data, we have to do one thing, that which is right click here or anywhere in this page and click on this inspect. And this type of data will appear in front of you. After that, to see the code of this text, we have to simply click on this icon, which is arrow type icon. Just click here and just hover your mouse cursor on this area and just click here. So the data is that h1 class is company listing underscore title and list of companies. As you can see, this data is available in h1 tag. So let's do one thing. So I will simply type here soup dot find all. So find all tag is simply used to find all its tags available in HTML. So here we will type soup.findAll and h1 tag because the data is in h1 tag dot, let's say, text. Let's see what is the output. As you can see, we are getting an attribute error, which is results set has no attribute text. So we have to simply write here of 0, which will give us the correct answer. So this is our correct answer, but still, as you can see, there are slash n and this type of tags available here. So to delete that, we have to simply type a string and the title is in front of us. So using this line of code, which is soup.findAll tag name of 0 and text.strip, we have extracted the title of the website, which is list of companies in India, which is this one, as you can see. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, then don't forget to share it to the family and friends. Also, if you face any queries due to this 403 error, feel free to reach me out on Instagram or in comment section below. And the source code of today's video is available in your description. You can definitely check out that. Here comes the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video.